All right, this is part 2 of Unit 2, Lesson 4. We are on number 12. The 15 tiles fit exactly in the bathroom without any spaces. If the measure of one side of a single tile is 1 foot, what is the perimeter of the bathroom? What is its area? So we want to look at this figure. They want us to figure out perimeter. Remember, perimeter equals length plus width plus length plus width, and area equals length times width. So we wanted to figure out the perimeter. Oops. I know that I would have 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3. So that's 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 12. And 12 plus 3 is 15. So I'm going to write 5 plus 3 equals 12. And we said we're doing foot, so this would be 12 feet is the perimeter. Area, I know, is length times width, so that would be 5 times 3 equals 15. And remember, we label this square, so this would be square feet is the area. If you know only the outside measurements for any rectangle, can you find its area? How? Why does this method work? Yes, because if you know the length and the width, you can multiply to find the area. Make that smaller. All right, raise your hand to get a star on this page, and then we are moving on. All right, next you will need page 105. We are skipping the back side of this page, so you'll need to raise your hand to get page 105. And that should look like this. On this page, we are practicing perimeter and area. So for each of the rectangles, we need to find the area and the perimeter, and we needed to tell it which one shows the units of area and which one shows us the units for perimeter. And all of these are 1 inch as the unit of length. So for number 1, A shows me perimeter. And B shows me area because it shows me how many squares are on the inside. And then I need to calculate. So for number 14, let's see here. It's a little bigger. I need to count the outside, or length plus width plus length plus width. I would recommend you write that at the top. Perimeter equals length plus width plus length plus width. And area equals length times width. That way it will help you throughout the page. So for this one, I have 1, 2, 3, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. plus 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 6 equals 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12, and 12 plus 6 is 18, and this is inches. I know area is length times width, and I've already found my length and width, which is 3 times 6, or I can look over at this one, and I know this is 1, 2, 3, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 3 times 6 equals 18, and this is area, so I call it square inches. Okay, remember the other way to find area would be to count all of these. So I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 is another way. All right, you need to complete the rest of this page and then raise your hand to receive a star. Then we are moving on to page 106. This page, they have taken away the lines and the squares and just given us the length and the width numbers. So they want us to draw in the units of area and find the area, and then draw in the units of perimeter and find the perimeter. So for example, they want us to draw, if I'm doing area for this one, then I want to draw 2 units because it has 2, so I have 1, 2, and then 9, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's make sure I have 9 squares going across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 squares going across the top and 2 squares going up and down. And then for this one, they want us to do the perimeter. So remember, perimeter is just dashes. So I have 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, these are too close together. 5, 6, 7, 8. And I just need to space them out a little better. Okay. And then they want us to find the area and perimeter. So for this one, I would have 9 plus 2 plus 9 plus 2 equals 22. And this is labeled miles. And my area equals 9 times 2, which equals 18 square miles. And then I am finished. Again, finish completing the area and perimeter for this page. Get a star. And then it is time for homework. All right, for your homework today, you are going to need a sheet of paper. It says to sketch a rectangle for each exercise. Choose a measurement unit for each rectangle and find the area and perimeter. Show your work. Okay, so you need to draw a 5 by 6 rectangle, okay, a 8 by 4, and then find the area and the perimeter. You may skip number 5. And then I would like you to complete 6, 7, and 8. On the back side, we will do evens only. So you can cross out these. All right, go ahead, get started. If you have questions, raise your hand.